Grounding practice is referred to in the trade, if you will, as orienting. And it has to do with how we find safety in the middle of what's happening. But it's based on something that's a very ancient response that is a biological one. It's been found that animals, when they're out in the wild and they are more of a prey animal than a predator, so maybe an antelope or a zebra or a gazelle, they know that they have to maintain their safety. And they still need to drink water. So when they need to drink water, they don't want to just put their head down into the pool of water and not be looking out for any animal that might be about to attack them. So before they drink their water, they will pause and they'll turn their heads, literally their whole head, and they'll look to the right and they'll just scan the horizon going around all the way around to the left side to make sure at least it appears to be safe. And then they can put their head down and get their drink of water. In human beings, it's found that we are also responsive to that same scenario. So the practice in today's world is a little different because we're not antelopes and we're not in the middle of the African savannah, but nonetheless, our brain, the amygdala, the part of the brain that responds to danger, will get it that we've been scanning to see if we're safe, and it will act as a grounding practice. Basically, it's just putting your head over one shoulder as best you can, your chin like that, and then turning your head slowly, letting your neck swivel your head around to the opposite shoulder. So that's the physical thing. What you do with your mind is you look at whatever you see in front of your eyes as you turn your head from one side to the other. So, for example, when I'm doing it myself right now, I am seeing a door, and then I'm seeing a wall. Now I'm seeing a lamp. So what I'm asked to do when I'm doing this exercise is to name what I see silently in my own mind. But I'm still going to name it because I'm proving to my brain that I'm looking. So I'm going to go silently. Door, wall, lamp, picture, printer, closet, window. Very, very simple and very simple-minded. You've got to actually move your head. That matters. That's the signal. That's the physical signal that gets through to the brain. Your eyes have to be looking and your head has to be moving or turning to find safety. So I'd like to ask you to give it a try. So if you put your chin over one, as close as you can, over one of your shoulders, either one you like, and then slowly, very slowly swivel your head around to the opposite shoulder as you name what you see. Okay, that's it. That's the whole thing. You can try it out, mess around with it, and see how you like it. There are variations on it. Some people say, find 5 yellow things in the room or 5 blue things. And it's the same exercise. Look around the whole room, keep looking until you name 5 things that are blue. Blue envelope, blue box, and you just keep going around until you do it. The idea is the same. That's the orienting. I think it's kind of fun.